Hello, MJ lovers. You're welcome to the drafting of our 720-degree flair skirt. So that's a very full skirt, a double of the 360 actually. So let's go straight to our calculations with our waist circumference of 14. So we divide it by our 6.28 and then we get 2.2. But 6.28 is for 360. If you missed that, please go to the 360 calculation. So you divide that by 2, given 1.1, and that's what we are going to use. We need a double of the 360. So we are going to cut 2 of this calculation. So we add our 1.1 to our 12, and then 1 inch at the hem, 0.5 at the waist, giving us 14.6. Now, there are two ways of calculating this. You can go straight by doubling your 6.28 to give you 12.56. And that'll give us half of our waist so that we can get to cut a double of it. Okay, now 6.28 times 2 giving us 12.56. Okay, then you divide the waist circumference of 14 by the 12.56 and you arrive at 1.1. Okay, so at this point you add your 1.1 to your skirt length plus 1 inch at the hem and then 0.5 as a joining allowance at the waist, giving you 14.6, and that brings you to the same figure we got for the first calculation. So whichever that works for you, you go with it. Now to our fabric or our pattern paper, you fold it into 4. Fold it into 4. You can refer from the 360 fold, and then you measure all across, all around, 1.1 at the top, 1.1 at the top, and then from the same tip of the fabric, the corner, you go for your full length. That too, same point, but all around. Okay guys, please subscribe for more videos, like and drop comments. Thank you. So now we cut out our shape, and then we are going to cut a double of this. Guys, remember you are cutting 2 of this to give you that fullness that you need. So you will slit one side, and then when you're done cutting the other one, you slit one side just like this, and you combine both. Okay, so we are measuring all around to see how much we got for this, and we are getting 8. So when you cut a double of it, you get about 16, and then 1 becomes your zipper allowance. Okay, thank you for watching.